Everyone out there, thank you so much. So today want to have a quick look on the rainforest again. So this is the entrance. You know, in every place, wherever you go, you must learn to read. Wherever you go, learn to read so that you know the do's and the don'ts of the places. So you can read for yourself. Do not feed the wild animals in the park, meaning to say never ever bring food here in the park so that you feed them. You have to be very attentive and learn to respect whatever that you see in this place. And do not litter. Above all, do not litter. Do not cause fire. No bicycles are allowed in this place. Only the wheelchairs for those who cannot walk properly. So these are some of the things that you must observe and follow as a client, as a visitor of this place. So this is the way to number one. Follow me, let's go. We won't get to number one, but I just want to show you something here before we reach to number one. So welcome again. You can see this building, this shed right here. The first thing that you see is a skull of an elephant. This is a skull of an elephant, Loxodonta giganta in scientific word. So as you know, elephant is one of the animals which is very friendly. At the same time, it can kill. So this is a skull of an elephant. Can you see? So this is where the horns, they will be inserted there. Right, we move on, and when you see you can see over there, there's the buffalo, the man himself. There's a second, it's there in the big five. You can see the buffalo. So the horns of a buffalo there. Then you can see again the water bag. So the water bag is actually is a symbol that is used by the national parks of Zimbabwe. So it's actually, you can see that one. You can see. So that is a water bag. You can see. This is the one which is used as a symbol. I'm sure it's very important animal. Then you can see there is a impala. An impala, it has got a lifespan of about 12 years only. The impalas, they usually stay at the open places so that it can see its prey. They walk in a group. They can have a group of impalas working together so that they can see their prey. They are a victim of the cheetahs and the lions, you know, all those kinds of animals. This is a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus has killed a lot of African people. So it has got a lifespan of about 55 years, 50 to 55 years. This is a hippopotamus. So the hippopotamus can weigh from 1,700 kgs to 2,000 kgs.
あ、綺麗。
A hippopotamus has killed a lot of African people. You know, a hippopotamus can walk a kilometers, 1 kilometer to 2 kilometers during the night. And it's a herbivore mammal. It's a herbivore mammal. This animal doesn't swim, but it gallop. It actually gallop. So it protects very well its territory. It's very, very protective in terms of its territory. So it is believed that a lot of Africans, they've been killed just because they can encounter with this hippopotamus at any place, at any given time, especially during the night or during the morning. It actually kills pregnant woman. When it encounters a pregnant woman, it doesn't like those people who are pregnant. So people must be very, very alert whenever they are walking in African countries. So thank you so much. We'll meet again in another episode. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this is the entrance. Tomorrow I'll show you at number 1. You see the beauty of the Victoria Falls.